the game going in just a short while. First, I'd like you to meet Pai Dayang Hiram, 16 years old from Manila. She will get a pizza pie from Shakey's, of course. And she has that nice smile. I don't want to talk about age with you. 16 years old. The joy of life.
You can always stop counting at a certain point in time. Only stop counting,
Yeah,
but
stop counting.
we can only do up to that. Yung ganun level lang.
Women decide. This
Up
is
to what
my
age
this is
they
my
will
age.
cap the counting.
I'm beginning to notice that with you and Mosi, Noreen, not the topic to talk about. 16-11, ito. Perpetual threatening a 3-set domination of an FPU team that's trying to get its act knit together. Ooh, that's on the line.
If you'll notice, it's looking at the second set, not looking at the first set. Dito sa set na to, ang nagiging problema naman nila is defense. A lot of the balls are just really hitting the ground. Not even an attempt from the defense.
That is such a good point because you can't get anything going offensively unless you stop the ball first. There's balls sailing out and FPU coaching staff trying to rev up their team.
This is probably not, how they're expecting the game to turn out. Definitely not, because they're down 2 sets. But I guess even with the movement inside the court, we've seen a lot better from FPU.
As Sartin nailed that, it's a defense that refuses to move laterally actually.
And you'll see them, nakapako yung paa. If they're in a certain position, they're there. They don't even dive for the ball.
It's an open set and you know where it's coming and you know how Sartin likes to fire hit and the lateral defense not moving there. On the other hand, Perpetual, oh, that is through the block. Medina taking care of business there. 19-12. FPU in disarray.
Gaano kataas ang bola? Ha? Ito ang bola, ang kamay mo nandito dito. Ano yung mga block? Ito ang bola, ito ang kamay. Ito yung pala nyo sa bola. Hindi, ito ang pinamablock. Ito yung asintala. Bababa ng dinadaan ng bola, tatalunan nyo ng mataas. Timingan nyo, late. Pagka ito, ganyan kataas ang bola, ganyan ang kamay. Ganyan kataas ang ganyan. Mataas likod dyan ang kamay. Yung talon tayong talon.
A lecture on common sense, apparently.
But, that's correct, actually. That's the right way to do it. Tama nga naman yung mga coaches always tell their players, kung blocker ka, hindi ka talon na talon. It's not about the height of your jump. It's really the timing and also looking at your attacker.
How to read the offense that's going against you. And FPU unable to handle that. They're behind now 20-12. Andrew Mulia with a very good breaking down of this Familiar's discussion for Fun Family Pizza. Gotta be Shakey's. 8-point lead in the second set. The first set was taken by Perpetual with a count of 25-21.
This is not the kind of situation the Lady Tamaraws want to be in. Kanina ito yung naging problema, no? The Lady Altas had such a big lead, it was difficult for them to catch up.
Honey Tubino tapping it outside, and it is now 2013. Gwyneth Eulalio, one of the veterans of this team. I remember when she was just a rookie starting out. Cabriana with the open set. Sartin hammers it, handled. Manzano dinking it over.
Oh,
Just alertness. It's a problem of alertness.
alertness and just really communicating inside the court who is supposed to get that ball.
And it is now 21-13. Tubino to serve. Free ball given away too easily. C adjusts. Sansorizan able to get into proper position. Manzano jabs it over. De Los Santos against the block. Agno, it's a set actually.
Good move, Manzano just tipping the ball over.
yung points ng FEU are coming few and far between. They're bleeding for the points. They don't come so easily, and not helped along by a lot of unforced errors.
And it's also different if you see a convincing point. Hindi ito yung hinahabol mo
agree.
lang. Like that, for example. Again, this is the same problem. You see, in that point from the Lady Altas, wala na namang gumalaw dun sa depensa ng FEU.
Taking nothing away from Perpetual, they're doing nothing special here. They've scored time and again off the open set. It's not a quick, it's not a combination. It's just an open set. Then, is it starting with a problem in the block naman? And
Well, it's all connected. When you're playing volleyball, it's all connected. The blockers would cover a certain area and so will the defense. So kung hindi kino-cover ng blockers mo na area, doon po pwesto yung depensa mo.
in the meantime, Nes Pamilar will make a change as Basas pulls out Vargas in the FEU roster. 23-14 is the count here. Again, Perpetual threatening to take a 2-0 lead in the number of sets. Best of 5 sets, of course. Reverse set. Patingkol ka lang pumalo itong si Sorisan.
So far, she hasn't really gotten any.
Hindi ko alam po anong
Set.
hindi ko alam po anong kursunada niyang set. Now, FEU steals a point here, 23-15. Parang untested siya sa open. Tingin ko middle hitter siya. I'm not sure. We have to check
check.
on it. Kasi she hasn't gotten a good clean set so far.
Well, one of the problems that FE also had, is having actually currently, yung reception nila hindi palaging eksakto sa setter.
Yeah, they're like in that point.
And at that point, the dig naman isn't coming or going smoothly rather.
And 24-15 as Perpetual threatening to take the second set. They're at set point at 24-15. Cabriana. Agno. They get a point on that reverse set. And that'll send Eve Sanor Seang over to the service area. Casual gate. Cabriana. It's a free ball. I like the way Perpetual has capitalized on the free balls actually, although they don't on that one. Porpingol is rejected by a double block.
But you know, one thing I've noticed with Perpetual also is that most of the first balls that they receive go exactly to Cabriana.
Yes. Parang discipline eh.
Oo, and you see na yung positioning and the height of the ball, it's a standard.
That will end the second set convincingly. Porpingol hammers that to the open hole, which has been left by FEU time and again. And this second set rather, ends at 25-17. Shake and play third set, rolling along after this.